Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tayo in case you're new here. Thank you so much for coming to watch my video today. If you like what you see, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell so you'll be notified of my videos which I upload weekly. I do videos about beauty, lifestyle, makeup, skincare. Been doing quite a lot of skincare videos recently and also talking about my hair recovery from alopecia. So if that's what you want to see, please hit the subscribe button, drop me a comment, drop me a like, and let me know you're here because I find that encouraging as well. Let me know what you like about my videos. If you feel that there's something I need to improve on, please feel free to let me know. I'm willing to take on all feedback. So to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming today to watch another video. I really appreciate you all. Guys, I'm going to be talking to you about some of the products that I would buy this November. So guys, as we all know, it's getting close to that time of the year when we spend money on products. For me, I tend to stock up around the November Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Around that time, there are a lot of sales on beauty products. So guys, I did a video in January about products that I'm going to be buying this 2024. And I bought quite a few of them in November, during the last November Black Friday sales. And yeah, they did last quite a while. So yeah, I'm going to be restocking on a few of them this year. So for instance, the MAC powder, I'm going to be stocking on that and a few other things. Guys, I'll link the video so you can watch it. One of the things I'm not going to be able to restock on is my Chanel soap because that has gone up by about £6, so it's out of my reach now. It's quite expensive, but I'm going to put the video there for you to watch, and if there's anything you think you like, you can always look out for it in the Black Friday sales. The reason why I'm doing this video, guys, is because it's really good to stock up on things that you need all year round. For instance, I'm going to be talking to you about this foundation, the Il Makiage Woke Up Like This foundation. I'm sure you've heard about it. I've actually done a video on it. I think it was a short video, a very short video on it actually, and also the primer. I've been using these two products this year and I still have this one. This is the second one I'm getting. It was a friend of mine who introduced me to this foundation. I'm going to be talking about it in a bit more detail in case you're interested. I've actually got it on at the moment. So guys, if that's what you want to see, please keep on watching. So as I was saying to you guys, this foundation, I've really found it to be really good. It agrees with my skin, agrees with my skin tone, and I really like using it because it's really easy to apply. So this is the Il Makiage foundation, and this is in the shade 220. I always put these things upside down, but hopefully you can see it now. This is shade 220. So guys, this is what I've been using throughout this year, and I've still got a bit left. This is the second one actually. I had one, I finished that one. I started using it at the beginning of this year. I remember a friend of mine gave it to me. I think it was around Christmas last year, or yeah. And I used that one up till about May, I think. And then I started using this one and I still have it. Guys, I tend to wear foundation quite a bit, maybe at least I'll say 3 or 4 times a week if I'm going out, or if I'm at home and I'm working from home, except I have a meeting where I need to show my face, I wouldn't really bother with makeup. But I do think that this foundation has really lasted, and it's just 30 mils. The reason why I find it so good is because you only need to apply a little, and I'm going to show you my application so you can see. I've also done another video that you can watch, but I'm going to show you my application on how I use it. You know, it's a very light foundation for people who like their skin to look natural. You don't want to start looking different. You don't want to look like someone else. You don't want something too heavy on your face. So then I use this one because it's really lightweight, it's smooth, it gives you that photo finish effect, and it looks really, especially if you get the right shade. For instance, I'm a MAC. Oh, I can't remember my shade in MAC now because I haven't used MAC for a long time, but I'm going to check and I'll put it across. So this is 220 in Il Makiage. And one thing about Il Makiage is that when you buy their stuff, they tend to remind you, or they've been reminding me that my foundation is running out. In fact, they started reminding me about a month and a half after I bought it, but then probably they think I use quite a lot, but I don't. So I still have it. So I haven't bought another one. The only thing I'll say that I didn't really like with this second one that I had is I had a bit of an issue with the cover, you know, so I don't know what happened. It was really hard for me to open it and spray it. so it got stuck to the thing. Yeah, you know what I mean, it got stuck, so I wasn't able to apply it that way. But yes guys, apart from that, and that's just this one, I don't know, there might just be that there was something wrong with it. That's why you can see me applying it with the not spraying it on. So yeah, so that's why I had to apply it that way, the way I applied it, because it got stuck at the top, you know. So yeah, but still I was still able to use it. The only thing is that I'm probably going to waste a bit of it, you know, which is not really what I want. But anyway, that's just the only thing. But this didn't happen with the first one. And then also I've also got the primers, polish base primer. So this is the Il Makiage No Filter Polish Base Primer, which I have used as well. I used it a lot during the summer, when you know that you put on your foundation, you don't want it to move. So I just apply a little. This is what it looks like. That is what it looks like. And it's really quite easy to apply as well. Yeah. So I'm going to probably stock up on this as well. Maybe not now, because this one I still have quite a bit, because you don't really need to use a lot of primers. I only tend to put it in my T-zone areas. But yeah guys, so this is one of the products that I'm going to be stocking up on this November, this foundation. Let me know if there are any other things that you are going to be getting this November for Black Friday. As I said to you, I like to stock up once a year on what I need, most of the things that I know that I'm going to need. And then if I run out of it, then I'm probably going to maybe have to buy it during the year if I actually really need it. But if not, I tend to buy quite a few of my things in November during the Black Friday sales or during the Christmas sales. If you're looking out for a new foundation, I think you can try this one and see how you feel about it. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I'm going to be bringing a few more videos about products that I plan to buy this November during the Black Friday sales. And I'm also going to, as I said earlier, I'm going to link the video where I talked about some of my products that I bought early this year. And I'm going to link that video so you can have a look at it and see what you like. I'm also going to put some links. Some of them may be affiliate links. So guys, if you click on those links, it just means that I'll probably get a couple of pennies if you buy the product from there, but it doesn't mean that you pay more. So guys, don't be afraid to use the links if you want to buy my products. You don't have to, but I'm just letting you know that it's there. Thank you so much guys for watching my video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.